Hilda Baci is now holding 2 Guinness World Records. Yes. The recent one be say happened that Hilda Baci, cook the largest pot of jollof rice. It happened in Nigeria, Africa. Congratulations to Hilda Baci. I want to tell you the quantity of every ingredient and every damn thing that he used in making this particular party jollof. Hilda Baci 4,000 kg of washed basmati rice. That is what Hilda is making to feed Nigeria, Africa, the world at large. Total oil 612 kg of oil, vegetable oil, 800 kg of junior ashon prepared chicken plus patty jollof, 600 kg of my jollof pepper mix that come from Geno tomato too, 220 kg of junior ashon and prepared chicken cube, that's junior product. Now 20 gram of Geno curry plus 7 gram of Geno thyme, 300 kg of onions, garlic and ginger blended all together, 164 kg of fresh goat meat, 120 kg of gas, 9 hours of fire passion and teamwork. Yes, this all Hilda used in making this particular party jollof. This is almost 50 bars of rice. And note that Hilda did not make this effort only her. She joined with her team and some with support of some people that love her around the world. Well, in case if this is your first time to see my channel, this channel brings to you eating competition, food challenge game, and everything concerning kitchen. We choose to update you based on Hilda Award of recent. Come to think of it, in the whole world, in Africa at large, they say that Nigerian party jollof rice is the sweetest. Is that true? Have you tried Ghana jollof? Have you tried USA jollof? Have you tried Argentina jollof? Which part of the country or which part of the world have you tried the jollof rice to compare with Nigeria? I personally, I have tried Nigerian party jollof. It's so yummy. Any other jollof that you feel that is sweeter than Nigerian jollof, let me know on comment section, and do well to subscribe to this particular channel to be getting updates about kitchen. Congratulations to Hilda Baci. Now as we proceed, don't forget that Hilda Baci is from Akwa Ibom, and news making round that is only one influencer from Akwa Ibom State that come out in supporting Hilda. I think I give Hilda her flower for doing this particular one. Trust me, it's not easy to cook, and some people also say that this rice is not sweet. Some people also say that the rice is sweet. And note, cooking is not easy. All these things that was bought by Hilda in support of other fans that love her around the world. It's not easy. She feed almost half of people in Lagos State, Nigeria. And remember that a lot of celebrities went there to support this woman. Let me know what you think on comment section on this Hilda, largest pot in the world. Thank you for watching.